Welcome guys, it's Welcome to channel. Today we're making cameraman and you know that people's playground. And follow me on Instagram and notebook and lot of stuff. And I'll show you how. Step 1. Load up the game and wait 5 minutes. My game is loading, guys. Look at this. I'm playing Melon Playground. I showed you how. Step 1. Take a person. Look at this and take a person. Step 2. Grow the person to be big. First close the time. Yeah, there it is. And we need like this size, copy us, and we're ready. Step 1, guys, build this hand. You need that, and build this hand. Dot. And you can see, first press stop on the dot. Wait a minute, guys. I need to press stop. Stop resizing. There we go. Oh no, not this again. Guys, so be along and 5 minutes. Oh, let's go on, guys. DVD, and this is a hard time, guys. So let's gonna make picture. Second one, guys. Wait me about 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. I'm still building my giant. Every 5 minutes, I'm building my own giant. Wait guys, this is about 5 hours. It's a hard time, guys. It is a very hard time.